Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2019 Kia Soul Plus. Stock number E2283A. 17,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Clear white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, as you can see. This Soul has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands.
Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
For hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Automatic temperature control. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Soul has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 161 horsepower. Just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 25 miles per gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Soul, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.